A picture is worth 1,000 words. This is one of the most popular proverbs and idioms that we've heard in this, I guess, since the 1920s. In 1921, a gentleman by the name of Fred R. Barnard, an advertising agency guy and an advertising executive, started to use a similar phrase in his advertising campaigns to promote his advertising agency. And it means, of course, that complex concepts and ideas can be conveyed better in a picture than using 1,000 words to describe that picture or to describe something. We see it all the time. We use pictures and we understand the power of pictures to connect with us emotionally. This is a picture of my grandmother who passed away in 2019, October 4th of 2019. No, that's wrong. She died August 8th of 2019, and she was born in 1919. So she was just shy of 100 years old, like August, September, October, like a little over a month shy of being 100 years old. And whenever I want to remember my grandmother or anything about her and all the amazing, emotional, fun times I had with her, I just look at pictures of her. All of us are walking around these days, or not all of us, but most of us, with phones that have the ability to take pictures and capture moments that we will love as we go back and review them. A picture allows us to freeze time and go back and revisit. These are some pictures of my daughter I found as I was doing some cleaning this weekend, or it's this week, and they're from 2010 and 2011. So it's fun to go back and look at these pictures of past events and to look at pictures of people that have gone before to trigger our emotions. We can do the same thing with our businesses, with the people that we serve. We can use pictures to explain complex concepts. This is one of my favorite books by Russell Brunson. He's got a whole series of books. And one of the things that I love the most about the books are that he uses simple diagrams to convey concept. Why? Because our brains think in pictures. So when somebody reads one of Russell's books, and many other people have started doing the same thing, they now can have pictures and things that represent complex concepts that are immediately ingrained in our brains and easy for us to access because these concepts have been conveyed through the use of simple graphics. And our minds, our brains function that way. We think in pictures, we don't think in words. And so it just goes from the picture to our brain, and the meaning is conveyed without it having to be translated through a translator, which is our language and our words. So how can you use this? How can you use the knowledge, knowing that a picture is worth 1,000 words, to benefit, to grow, and to supersize and build your business? Well, number one, you can start using pictures and graphics in your business. This year, or last year now, it's a new year, in 2020, started using what is the SOAP framework. And I started teaching people a simple system to deal with any change or any challenge that guarantees you'll be better off after that change or challenge occurs than before, because you're going to be purposeful in how you handle and manage that change or challenge. So SOAP framework, we can convey complex concepts or share with people what we do in ways that go right to their emotions by using pictures and graphics and representations that they will better understand and that they can relate to, that triggers emotions in them and connects them to us in ways, deeper ways than we could ever use or do in our copying, in the words that we say, stumbling, and the words that we write. So think today, as the beginning of a new year, what are some ways that you can use pictures to get people's attention, to reach the people that you're here to serve on the planet, and to, kind of repel the people that you're not here to serve. So that's our thought for today. I would love to know how you're using pictures, how you're using graphics, how you are using, simple strategies to convey complex concepts for your audience. I think one of the most brilliant things Russell Brunson has done from a marketing and from a sales standpoint is to take his wisdom and his knowledge, package it up into different forms, present it in ways that are easy for people like me that have no real understanding of marketing and principles and things and our backgrounds. And I did get a college degree in it, by the way, so that's saying a lot. But just to show concepts, show ideas in ways that we are more able to digest and understand. So that's it. Have an amazing day. I love this idiom, a picture is worth 1,000 words. It allows us to visit with people that we're not with every day and enjoy and remember how much we love them. And so we get to experience that feeling of love, even though we might not be with that person today. And I get to experience the feeling of the love I have for my grandma and the great experiences we had with her, even though I'm not with her anymore. That's it. I'd love to know your stories about a picture is worth 1,000 words. Share them in the comments below. And I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how can you use it to grow your business right now? Take care.